What's up, guys? Today it is freezing cold out here in New York City, but I gotta give it to these guys because even though it's freezing out here, I see a lot of people running. Hey, get your workout in one way or another. No excuses. Remember that. So I wanted to take you guys out for a walk with me here. Just wanted to take a nature walk, as cold as it is, but it seems like my knees is starting to act up. I don't know if it's because of my run this morning. I only did 2 miles and some change, about 2.5 miles this morning. And I did go on an incline as well. I did some indoor training, so I was on a treadmill. And now, as I was going up the stairs, all of a sudden it started to ache. So I think I'm gonna head back. Maybe I'll try to catch some other things around the city for you guys. But I just wanted to take you guys on a walk with me. Hope you enjoy a little bit of nature, enjoying these last few days of green for fall before the winter comes in a few weeks. So you guys saw that guy? Now here I am complaining about my achy, breaky knee, and here is this guy who's probably twice my age doing sprints when it's brick cold outside. Finally we're home, guys. But I wanted to show you guys something that has been a little bit motivating for me. This is what I see outside every day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It does not matter what day it is of the week. These guys will show up and do the work. They want to practice and perfect their skills. And one thing I admire about these guys is the fact that they all have different age range. Let me just show you. Did you see that? My apologies that I'm not really getting a good shot of these guys, but these guys are awesome. They're not just skateboarders, there's kids with bikes. And as a reminder, earlier I went for a walk as when I took you guys with me, and it is brick cold outside today in New York City. But these kids are still outside doing what they love. And this is where I really want to talk about passion. These guys are passionate about. The point I'm trying to make here is that there is no age limit. You are never too old to start something, especially if you're very passionate about it. Now in this case, we're just talking about skateboarding and doing tricks on bikes, and I'm pretty sure there's a term for that. But they have shown that the weather didn't have anything to do with them, or the weather didn't stop them from doing what they enjoy and love the most, and that's skateboarding. And that in itself motivated me to push myself further. As I've mentioned in the past videos before, that starting this YouTube channel was actually one of the things that I was really interested in doing, but it took me a little bit longer to actually take that first step. And naturally, by reasons of fear of judgment, maybe it's too late, maybe, you know, I'm a little too old to start now. Yes, I'm not old. However, I have seen people here on YouTube who have started their channel at the age of like 13, which blows my mind. And it's quite fascinating to see, actually, for them to start at such a young age, and it's quite impressive. But if there's anything that you find joy in doing, do it. Just do it. Got that from Nike. But I just wanted to make a quick short video today just to give some motivation for you to find what makes you happy, do the things you love. As you know, things are very difficult right now with the world events, as we all know, but let's not let that stop us from still trying to enjoy life. We still have so much more to live for, and this is just something we're going to have to adjust to, and it's okay. Do something for you, not just the audience, but for anyone who needs to hear this right now, that this was something I wanted to hear for myself when there were times where I was doubting myself, or you know, I was a little bit hesitant for whatever reason that may be. But I could really go on, but today I just really wanted to have a quick, you know, stop in today just to check in with everyone and to give you a little bit of motivation. If there's something that you find interesting, that you may be heading towards a new journey in your life, you're about to embark on something new, whatever that is, I wish you the best of luck, and just keep going. And don't get me wrong, we all have our bad days, and not to get too cheesy about, you know, positivity all day, every day, 24/7. Sometimes it is hard, and sometimes you just want to grab a pillow and put it in your face and just scream into it, you know? But we all have those days, and the best we can do is, if one of us is at a low point, the other one should be able to pick that other person up, and vice versa. But if you enjoyed what you saw today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe of course if you want to see more, and hit the notification bell so you'll be informed every single time I post a video. Until then, guys, this is Chris here. You already know, just Chris, signing off. Peace.